installation for an AUL quick release. After you've basically framed up your curb with a 2x4 2x6, you'll need to install the supplied clips. Install the clip so it's approximately ½ inch from the edge of the curb and fasten it using the tech screws supplied. You'll need a drill attached with a 5/16 bit for attaching it to the curb. Repeat for all 4 corners. The top of the clip should be flush with the top of the curb, and the edge should be again ½ inch from the edge. Pick up your dome and frame assembly and set it on top of the curb. Line it up so that everything fits down nice and easy, nice and even, and there's an equal space all the way around. Using some kind of a clamp, you'll need to clamp the curb and the frame together. Place the clamp as close to the edge as you can to ensure that it's a tight fit. Once you've got it clamped, using a 3/8 bit, line the drill up with the hole in the frame and drill the hole. Once you're through, insert the quick release rod, hold it up, and attach the clip, again using a drill with a 5/16. There is an indent in the actual channel that you can line the screw on and fasten it securely to the side of the frame. Repeat for all 4 corners, and you're done.